Former Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero spent over 10 billion shillings without following the law during his last year in office. Kidero is said to have broken the law in the use of locally collected revenue, made payments outside the IFMIS system, purchased excess drugs and failed to complete some of the development projects he initiated. And Silas Apollo reports that the findings are part of a report by the Auditor-General, Ouko, for the year that ended in June 2017.
The audit report for the year ending June 2017 shows that some of the sins committed by the administration of former Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero saw residents of Nairobi missed out on key services such as the provision of healthcare and the collection of garbage.
Auditor-General Ouko says that the county government failed to provide proof to show that public money had been applied lawfully and in an effective way. And as such, there were glaring discrepancies and gaps in the manner in which the funds were used. The county government could not account for some 8 billion shillings revenue, which the auditor says was spent at source contrary to the law. The 8 billion shillings was part of the 10.9 billion shillings that the county government had collected from local revenues, of which it only banked 2.4 billion shillings. The funds were collected in the year ending June 2017. It was also observed that payments totaling 2.3 billion shillings were made off the IFMIS system. The payments had also not been budgeted for, therefore contravening the National Treasury's regulations on the use of IFMIS. No approval from the County Assembly had been provided for the expenditure. The payments were advanced to creditors, the Kenya Revenue Authority, loan servicing and other bank charges. There were also instances where drugs worth millions of shillings, which had been overpurchased, were left to expire in county hospitals. Ouko says the Mbagathi County Hospital was holding too much non-pharmaceutical items, with most of them close to expiry. Sampled stock cards and physical verification revealed that the facility had 3 million shillings worth of non-pharmaceutical items that were almost expiring. Some of the stalled projects include the construction of the Ruai Street Children Rehabilitation Center, which commenced in 2015, but failed to reach completion despite payment of some 21.7 million shillings. Other stalled projects are the construction of the Joseph Kangetha Social Hall and a perimeter wall at Mji wa Huruma, whose total budget was 77 million shillings. Kidero is currently fighting a court case in which the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission is accusing him of engaging in corrupt activities during his tenure as governor of Nairobi. He has, however, denied the charges leveled against him. Silas Apollo, NTV.